Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe and join the crew. But in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 4a case. It's really going to be stylish, protective, and also really affordable, which is the main thing. So we're going to save a lot of money. But let's go ahead and take a look at this clear TPU case that we're going to be rocking on the Google Pixel 4a. And join me for the unboxing. All right, guys, so here is the case. We're gonna go ahead and take a look, and I will leave a link down below to the MMY Google Pixel 4a case. Right here, we're getting a nice clear TPU material, which is really nice. You do get grips on the side, which is something that I really do appreciate. And it does seem like we do have a screen protector on this, but I think you would actually peel it off right here at the bottom. So right here, you have to undo the case from the front, and that's how you would get it open. And then it says an easy on and off 2-piece installation, eye-catching clear case, shows off your phone. Scratch resistant, clear back, non-slip TPU, edge, raised bumper, which allows for full screen access of instructions there. Here's the Google Pixel 4a, and we do have another clear film inside of here. All you have to do is just grab that from here and it easily comes off. Side right there. So we could just take this side off by peeling that corner. There we go. And that came off right away. Let's get that off. And now you can see that we do have the clear TPU case. Just go ahead and wipe this down so that no fingerprints will be inside of it, inside and out. And then we could do the same thing for the Google Pixel 4a. So let's go ahead and we could put this side on first on top of the front. Now let's see how that feels. Still feels the same, which is good. Let's lock it. But first, let me put this all around off each 4 corners of the Google Pixel 4a. And kind of just lock that in. Wow, that fits really good. You can still see the logo on the back as well. Black on black. You get the rubber grips on the side with the buttons. Let's see how that feels. That still feels really good. That's the buttons. And you can see that the fingerprint works really good as well. It still feels phenomenal to the touch. Let's test out the drop down fingerprint. That still works. Just try to put it back up. Okay, cool. And then lock the screen. On the bottom, you do get your Type-C, which is all the way inside of here. So you get it's protected in there really nicely. And same thing with the headphone jack is way deep inside of there, but you can still get to it. So let's see if we could still put the headphone jack inside of there. I just want to test that out. Oh yeah, that works perfect. Headphone jack is still perfect in there. Lock it one more time. So you can see that the lip on here is really nice as well. And you get the screen protection with the screen protector on the front. Let's go ahead and touch the screen a little bit and see if we can see any mistouches. Let's go to Spotify. Okay, let's go to Instagram. All right, cool. Let's go to Facebook. Oh, I just touched files by accident. Let's go to Facebook. That's really quick. You can see this phone flies through everything. Let's go to YouTube, and let's go to Twitter. Okay, so everything on here is really fast, working really nicely. But that is the new MMY Google Pixel 4a case. Let me know if you found this case in the least bit protective or helpful looking, but I definitely would recommend you get some kind of protective case. This one will give you that transparent back, so you can see the Google logo on there, and it's black on black as well, which if you like that, I think it looks cool. But let me know down below in the comment section down below. But it's your boy Serrano. Make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening. And if you haven't already done so, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.